Assalamu alaikum students. This is your ma'am Miss Sadia Qureshi, an assistant professor in English from Dubai Male College Road, Bahawalpur. Today we are going to talk about cohesive devices in text. First of all, we are going to go through the definition of cohesive devices. The words and the phrases that links ideas, time, space and action in a text are called cohesive devices. The types of these cohesive devices can be determiners, pronouns, conjunctions, and adverbs. Now we are going to go through all these cohesive devices in detail. What are the determiners? Determiners are those words which specify an object to show its importance. For example, an and the are called determiners. Pronouns. Pronouns are those words which save us from the repetition of actual words. For example, he, she, it and a, they are pronouns and they are used instead of their actual nouns. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are those words which link between the words or a group of words. For example, and, but, so, because, or therefore are called conjunctions. Adverbs. Adverbs are those words which link between sentences. For example, when a verb is joined by the word ly, it is called an adverb. Silent is a verb and we join ly with this and we make it as silently. It becomes an adverb. Same is the case with carefully and eventually. Now, how we are going to find out the cohesive devices in the given text? Here is a little paragraph that I have written for you and you are going to find out that how we can do it in the text. Sarah and Alina both wanted the apple. They began to argue on it. Eventually, they began to share the apple because they wanted to stay friends. Now, used cohesive devices in these lines are determiner, pronoun, adverb or conjunction. Sarah and Alina are main nouns. Both wanted the apple. So they wanted the apple means the word the has specified the apple. So the word the is a determiner over here. They began to argue on it. Now we don't want to use the word Sarah and Alina again and again, so we have used the pronoun they over here. So they begin to argue on it. It is also written with red ink. So it is referring back to the word apple and it is used as a replacement of the main noun. It is also a pronoun. Eventually they agreed to share the apple. Eventually is an adverb and it lets us know that the mode of action or the mode of verb that they agreed is telling us about the time, the manner, the action or the reason of the action. Because they wanted to stay friends. Now because is a conjunction and they is also again used as a pronoun because we don't want to use the word Sarah and Alina again, so we have used the word they over here. So now see that how you're going to do these paragraphs. If in exam it comes that find out cohesive devices in a text, so you need to have these 4 things on your fingertips: determiners, pronouns, adverbs and conjunctions. And then you have to find out that what are the determiners, how many pronouns are used, how many adverbs are used or how many conjunctions are used in this paragraph. So this is how you're going to opt the questions of finding out the cohesive devices in their text. I hope you understood this lecture. Inshallah, we are going to talk about it in detail once the colleges are going to get open. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.